Welcome to Intellify. Why is the right to water a global issue? Water is at the core of sustainable development and is critical for socio-economic development, energy, food production, healthy ecosystems, and for human survival. Water is also at the heart of adaptation to climate change, serving as the crucial link between society and the environment. Water is also a rights issue. As the global population grows, there is an increasing need to balance all of the competing commercial demands on water resources so that communities have enough for their needs. In particular, women and girls must have access to clean, private sanitation facilities to maintain menstruation and maternity in dignity and safety. At the human level, water cannot be seen in isolation from sanitation. Together, they are vital for reducing the global burden of disease and improving the health, education, and economic productivity of populations. The right to water. One of the most important recent milestones has been the recognition in July 2010 by the United Nations General Assembly of the human right to water and sanitation. The Assembly recognized the right of every human being to have access to enough water for personal and domestic uses. Water and the Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goal SDG 6 is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. The targets cover all aspects of both the water cycle and sanitation systems, and their achievement is designed to contribute to progress across a range of other SDGs, most notably on health, education, economics, and the environment. Unclean water and child mortality. Unclean water and poor sanitation are the leading cause of child mortality. Childhood diarrhea is closely associated with insufficient water supply, inadequate sanitation, water contaminated with communicable disease agents, and poor hygiene practices. Diarrhea is estimated to cause 1.5 million child deaths per year, mostly among children under 5 living in developing countries. Celebrating water resources. Every year, there are two UN international observances on water and sanitation. World Water Day 22nd March and World Toilet Day 19th November. Each day is marked by a public campaign which is about raising awareness of the issues, focusing attention on a particular theme, and inspiring action. The International Decade for Action, Water for Sustainable Development, started on World Water Day 22nd March 2018 and will end on World Water Day 22nd March 2028. The decade is about accelerating efforts towards meeting water-based challenges including limited access to safe water and sanitation, increasing pressure on water resources and ecosystems, and an exacerbated risk of droughts and floods. If this action plan is implemented well, then we can assure the right to water to all globally. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content, keep watching Learn with Intellify.